Hello students, we have done total 14 types in the last videos. Now there are more two types, 15 and 16. Type number 15 is under root of quadratic and type number 16 is linear into under root of quadratic. These are for 7.7 exercise of NCERT. Now when there is under root of quadratic, then we have to complete the square. Clear? And we can apply one of these formulas which we have earlier studied. Clear? So it is a very simple type. Now this is a very important type, linear into under root of quadratic. We have to put linear is equal to L times derivative of quadratic plus m. It is same as linear over under root of quadratic. This was more important than this type. Clear? Let us take question number 8 based on the type number 15. Questions from 1 to 11 are of this type. And question number 12, 13 and 14 is linked with the type number 16. These questions are linked with the type number 15. In the old edition of NCERT, these questions are missing. Clear? Now this is under root of quadratic. So we have to complete the square. X square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 under root. So this is the whole square of x plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 whole square under root. So we can apply the formula for x square minus a square under root, and that formula is x by 2 under root of x square minus a square by 2. A square is 9 by 4 divided by 2 and log mod x plus under root of x square plus minus a square plus c. So next step is 2x plus 3 divided by 4 by taking LCM, and this under root can be written as like this: x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8 log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus under root of x square plus 3x plus c. So this is the final answer. Now these are the question number 12, 13 and 14 from exercise 7.7. If these questions are missing from your NCERT, you can note the statement. So let us take question number 14. This is linked with the type number 16, that is linear into under root of quadratic. So we have to put linear is equal to L times derivative of this quadratic is minus 2x minus 4 plus m. Then by comparing the like powers, so highest power is x raised to 1 and coefficients are minus 2l is equal to 1. So the value of L is minus 1 by 2. Constant terms are minus 4l plus m and left hand side is 3. Put the value of L is minus 1 by 2 plus m is equal to 3. 2 cancel out, so the value of m is 3 minus 2 is 1. So these are the values of L and m. Therefore, this integral becomes linear becomes L times minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x minus 4 plus m. M means 1 into under root of 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. So now this is our question. So what is the next step? Separate these two terms. First of all, multiply this by whole under root. Minus 1 by 2 integral of 2x minus 4 into under root of minus 3 minus 4x minus x square. This is the first integral plus 1 into under root of 3 minus 4x minus x square whole under root. Now this is same, minus 2x minus 4 and under root can be written as raised to power 1 by 2. Now complete this square. This is type number 15, under root of quadratic. We will complete the square in the rough work. take negative common, x square plus 4x minus 3. So add half, 2 square is 4, add 4 and subtract 4. So this is equal to x plus 2 whole square, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Clear? So this is equal to positive 7, which can be written as under root 7 square, minus x plus 2 whole square under root. So after completing the square, we will get this term. Now apply the formula. Derivative into function raised to power n. So answer is function raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. To cancel out. Now this is a square minus x square under root, and that is equal to x by 2 under root of a square minus x square, then plus a square by 2, a square is 7 over 2 sin inverse x plus 2 by under root 7 plus c. So this is the final answer of this question. So students, in this way you can solve exercise 7.7 of NCERT. Now come to the type number 17, and that type is quadratic over quadratic, or you can say that quadratic of over under root of quadratic. Then we have to put the numerator quadratic is equal to L times quadratic plus m times derivative of this quadratic plus n, and we can find the values of L, m and n. So on the base of this type, let us take one example. X square plus x plus 1 divided by under root of x square minus x plus 1. Clear? This is quadratic over quadratic. So first of all, put numerator x square plus x plus 1 is equal to L times denominator x square minus x plus 1 plus m times its derivative, that is 2x minus 1 plus n. Now comparing like powers. So first of all, x raised to power 2. Coefficient of x raised to power 2 is L, only L, and left hand side is 1. So L is 1. Coefficient of x raised to power 1 is minus L plus 2m, left hand side is 1. So put the value of L. L is 1 plus 2m is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus 1, 2, and m is also 1. And comparing the constant terms. Constant terms are L minus m plus n, and left hand side constant term is 1. Put the value of L. L is 1, m is also 1 plus n. You can see that n is also 1. So all the values are 1. Therefore integral becomes, in the numerator we have put that L. L means 1. 1 times x square minus x plus 1 plus m is also 1. 1 into 2x minus 1 plus n. N is also 1. Over denominator is x square minus x plus 1. So now this is our integral. Now by separating, first integral becomes only 1, that is dx, plus second is, there is under root also, 2x minus 1 over under root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. This is the second integral, plus 1 by under root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. Integral dx plus, this can be written as 2x minus 1. Shift the power in the numerator, x square minus x plus 1 raised to power minus 1 by 2. Plus, now complete this square. Again we will do in the rough work, plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to x minus 1 by the whole square. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So this, after completing the square, this becomes x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus under root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear? Now we can apply the formulas. First integral becomes x, and second is derivative into function raised to power n. And answer is function raised to power n plus 1 half over half plus 1 over x square plus a square under root, that is log mod x, this is x, plus under root of x square plus a square plus c, and the final step is x times, this can be written as 2 times under root of x square minus x plus 1 plus log mod x minus 1 by 2, and after opening this square, this will be is equal to x square minus x plus 1 plus c. So in this way you can solve quadratic over quadratic. Now the type number 18 of integration is when there is 1 over something sin square cos square terms with constants, or you can say that only sin square with constant, cos square with constant, then we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x and put tan x is equal to t. So this is the type. So let us take question based on this type, and that question is 1 by 2 plus 3 sin square x. Let us take this example. So first of all we have to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So now what is the numerator? 1 over cos square x is secant square x. Denominator 2 over cos square is 2 secant square plus 3 sin square over cos square is tan square x. Now first of all convert the secant square into tan square in the denominator. 2 times 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x. So the next step is secant square x divided by 2 plus 3, it is 5 tan square x plus 2. Now we can easily put tan x is equal to t. Derivative is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So what is the integral? 1 by 5t square plus 2. Now we have to integrate this thing. This can be written as 1 by under root 5t whole square plus under root 2 square, and apply the formula. This is 1 over x square plus a square, that is 1 over a tan inverse x over a, and carefully divide with the coefficient of t also, that is under root 5. So now what is the answer? This is equal to 1 by under root 10 tan inverse under root 5, replace the value of t, tan x, divided by under root 2 plus c. So this is the final answer of this type. So students, we have done 4 types in this video. You can solve questions based on this type, which will find from the exercise number 7.7 and some other books also. Okay.